Hi, let's check those Huawei Watch Fit 4 have games. So in the Huawei Health application, go to the devices and select Huawei Watch Fit 4. And here is the app gallery. So let's check if we can find some games here. So here is the only game that I saw, Surfing Joe. This is like Flappy Bird, and you can install it by clicking here. So let's wait for installing. So as you can see, it's installed now, and let's take our watch and go to the bottom, and here it is, Surfing Joe. This is the game. It's like Flappy Bird. So I think the, the Surfing Joe is the only game that we can download from the app gallery. So yes, it has one game for download to your Huawei Watch Fit 4. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.